today we're going to be making something for Polar Express, a hot cup of cocoa. And this is actually just made of paper and puffballs. So if you do have some puffballs, that'll be useful, as well as some paper. And of course, scissors and glue and a red marker would be nice too. Right behind me you can see there's a train in the library, and that's because this Saturday, the Saturday after Thanksgiving, we're gonna have the Polar Express lighting of the library right outside the library. So if you can come at 5 o'clock, I hope to see you there. I'll be there. It'll be from 5 to 6 with hot cocoa outside, and you'll be able to look in the windows and see an amazing train set that Joy and John have been setting up, as well as the tree with all the lights. You can see you can just cut out a simple cup shape, and then it's nice to have the handle. Also, there are going to be all sorts of fun things throughout the library. So if you do get a chance to come inside, you'll already see some of those things up this week. You'll see some bells, which is from the story. You'll see the story posted around the library, and also lots of great holiday books are going to be coming out soon. Now for the hot cocoa, this took me several tries to get the hot cocoa to look hot cocoa-ish. I cut out just kind of an oval, but then when you test it against your mug, you'll see whether it needs to be trimmed, or whether the mug needs to be trimmed, or if it looks a lot like hot cocoa looks. Then you're going to want, of course, the candy cane, and that's just your simple shepherd's crook shape. And this also took me a couple tries. I cut out a candy cane that was too small first, and then too big, and then not quite candy cane shaped enough. So if your first candy cane is not exactly the way you want it to be, that's fine, just cut out another one. And then I did use the red marker to do those little slash marks that make it look, oops, candy cane-like. So I colored in some red, and you could just make it red, white. I also did a little stripe and then a bigger stripe so that it's gonna start looking like a real candy cane. And you can see mine looks kind of like a real candy cane, like this. And gluing on the puffballs makes them look kind of like marshmallows. So I hope to see you this Saturday at 5. I hope you get to come into the library and see some of the decorations as they're going up this week. And I hope you're staying warm in this wintry wonderland we have out there. See you soon at the library.